Last week something happened. I got laid off from my job after being there for 19 years. 2 years as a temp, 21 years total of having a job, a steady, secure job. And it was a shock. I didn't know, I wasn't really expecting it, but it happened. So the best way to move forward is to move on. And there's this quote from Einstein, and he said, life is like riding a bicycle. In order to keep your balance, you have to keep going. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I've got these side hustles that I'm going to do to make up my full-time income or try to come close to it. So I'll tell y'all what those are. So one thing I am happy about and grateful to God for is that I have, after these 21 years of being employed from this company, I have a severance package. So I'll be okay for a while. That is a little bit of comfort, but there's no comfort in knowing that like I have the ability to change my future. Both of my sisters are now female entrepreneurs and doing very well at it. So I've never been more prepared to step into a position than right now. And I'll never forget, there was this SVP who asked me, you know, if you could do anything in the world, what would you want to do? And my answer was, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. That's such a tough question because my entire life, I've always been good at doing what I'm told. I never really thought of like, if I could do anything in the world, what would it be? I just always had a job and I never really thought of like doing something on my own, but now is the best opportunity for that. So in the comment section, if you've never been asked that, let me know what you want to do. So the first side hustle I'm gonna do is continue being a virtual assistant. I love being a virtual assistant because I don't have to necessarily be on a clock, and I can do it in my time. Currently, I make around $1,000 a month doing VA work. If you're interested in doing some virtual assistant work, some of the best places to go is to go to Facebook, or you can even go on Upwork and find some really good jobs. Some people who may not even want to have like something more official, they just need somebody for, you know, a month period, 2-month period. You can find some really good opportunities in the Facebook groups. The second way that I am gonna try to make money is through my YouTube channel, and I say that because I am so close to being monetized. I had this short that took off, and right now I'm just really trying to do this push because it's never been a better time for me to just try to monetize my life, talk about what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and maybe inspire somebody so that they can do it too. My third side hustle idea is to try to continue to do content creation. So not just in the YouTube space, but also in TikTok world, and Instagram world, and like to know it world, like literally anything. I'm trying to take a leap into this space of the unknown. While I'm figuring this out, I am also planning to leverage my skills, maybe build a course. After 21 years of working an executive assistant for senior vice presidents, I have a lot of skills that I can bundle up and maybe package, not just executive assistant work, but like product manager work. That's one of the best things I think my job had to leave me with. My fourth side hustle idea that I'm gonna do is affiliate marketing. Now, I have a sister who makes $20,000 plus every single month doing affiliate marketing, and she also helps others. So I'll link in the description below exactly how you can get access to this. So I am pushing on her and leaning on her and studying her YouTube videos, studying her blog articles, because there's nobody better than trying to find out firsthand how you can try to do affiliate marketing and earn tens of thousands of dollars every single month on autopilot. My fifth side hustle idea that I'm gonna do because I got laid off is reselling on Amazon. Now, I talked about in a video how I used to resell on Amazon here, and I made $40,000 in less than a year doing it part-time, and that is my intention going in this year because my vision board has kind of changed a little bit. So make sure to subscribe because in my shorts and my story, I'll be sharing where I'm sourcing, how much profit I'm making per item, my ROI. I'll be sharing everything, my ins and outs on how to resell on Amazon in 2025. So make sure to stay tuned for that if you're interested. My sixth side hustle idea is blogging. And I started a blog in like 2020. I started it because my sister had a blog and I kind of just didn't really have any, like, I was like, I think I like side hustles. I could probably talk about that. I really like home decor, blah, blah, blah. Long story short, it's like a mix mash of, it's not niche down in any way, shape, or form. It's just a blog. I talk about literally almost everything on my blog that I can think of. And right now, this article is going viral because I did a pin on Pinterest. And this pin usually goes viral around this time, but I made $150 from Google Ads. I just got my payment last week, and I was like, oh my gosh, I completely forgot that I had a blog. I haven't written an article in I don't know how long, so that is like the definition of passive income, and that's what I'm trying to do, create passive income where I'm making money. And I forgot it, I even did this article. So I will be doing more of that. I know that people say Pinterest is dead. However, this pin just comes alive for me, and it does this time every year. So I think I'll do more articles like that. I'll do some pins for that, try to drive traffic to my blog. But Google Ads has been a great way to get my small blog monetized. So if you do have a blog, make sure to consider applying for Google Ads. That is a great way to make some passive income. And then my 7th side hustle idea that I'm doing and I'm trying out is with the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, this is a little bit different from the Amazon Affiliate Program, which I do use for my blog because I have a lot of links in there. But the Amazon Influencer Program is, you have to have a following. You have to be in as an influencer. So I recently got approved, and I recently did a video talking about how much I made with the Amazon Influencer Program. So make sure to check that out. And I'm trying to find the best ways to post videos and trying to make sure that I land on the first 3 pages of these product reviews, because that's really the only way that I'm going to make money without bothering y'all with my stories and everything like that. So I will be leveraging the Amazon Influencer Program to hopefully make around my goal right now is just $200 a month. That would help me boost my bottom line. And another side hustle idea that I'm considering is investing, because I hear about so many people talk about how much money they make just with investing. And it's so interesting to me because I tried this before, but obviously I was like swamped and had tunnel vision elsewhere. If you start doing stocks, you have to know what you're doing, because you can easily lose a lot of money really fast. But those are the 7.5 side hustles that I'm doing to try to bring in a full-time income. I'm looking for really just $3,500 to $4,000 mark. If that grows, I'm very, very happy with that. I'll let y'all know how it goes and how you can do it too. I'm excited about what God is doing in my life and all the people I'm able to reach just because I have this channel. Hopefully the YouTube algorithm will push me out into your world. Okay, so if you liked this video, then you have to watch, because I talk about 4 realistic ways to make money from home that I obviously will be leveraging myself from this point forward. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, see you soon.